Our job as the practitioners of meditation is to stick to our practice, morning meditation. In the evening, we try to clean ourselves. And what gets cleaned? The nadis gets cleaned, chakras gets cleaned, our entire spinal cords get cleaned, and the entire whole system actually gets cleaned. Each cell becomes purer and simpler. They have a tremendous role to play. And this job is better left to the master under whom we are getting trained. Okay. With his guidance, we are able to move from wherever we are. You see, everyone begins a journey from their level. But the role of the master is to take each individual to the highest possible level. Now, I give you one example. When we talk of these 5 chakras which are there, one is here, almost 4 fingers below the left nipple. And when you make its mirror image, it's on the right side also. You flip the mirror image up, there are 2 more here. And when you draw a line like this, equilateral triangle touching this throat chakra. So let's talk about this 5 chakra first. Now, when we are meditating on the heart, that is heart chakra, and as we master this meditation and our journey within the chakra or the plexus, as it moves on, certain level of consciousness arises in our heart. For example, when we talk about God and say, oh, I feel God, but when you are at this chakra and the consciousness develops so well that you start feeling the presence of God within yourself so well, and you feel very confident about that presence. Okay. Now, when with the help of the master, we are able to move from here to the next chakra. Here, instead of feeling the presence of God within you, not only within you, but you will feel His presence everywhere. You will feel the presence in sky, in stars, in everything that is surrounding us. Even if you want to deny it, you cannot deny it because it's such an overwhelming experience. And as a result, what happens? The next chakra opens up, and that is all about love. When you see that God is everywhere, the love for everyone simply begins to emanate from your heart. And a level of courage develops. Now, when you start loving automatically people without any bias, some level of confidence, some level of courage, some level of fearlessness develops. That is the quality of the next chakra. And because of this fearlessness and confidence, your ideas remain very clear, your mind and heart remains very clear. And that is the quality of the 5th chakra. Now, unless and until this movement was made, you cannot have these experiences. So, our job as the practitioners of meditation is to stick to our practice, morning meditation. In the evening, we try to clean ourselves. And what gets cleaned? The nadis gets cleaned, chakras gets cleaned, our entire spinal cords get cleaned, and the entire whole system actually gets cleaned. Each cell becomes purer and simpler. You feel less complexities within you. You feel less impurities in you. And you feel, okay, now I am really becoming vehicle of God, for God to reside in my heart. So it's a beautiful state that we develop as a result of purification of the whole system, not just the nadis and not just the chakras, but the whole system becomes pure, and you start vibrating at a different level. And whosoever meets you, whosoever you talk with, wherever you walk, talk, run around, breathe, all that will have your impact. The presence will speak louder. You don't even have to say believe in God, but your presence will be felt by others. That yes, that this person is spiritual, this person is peaceful, this person is so loving, this person is so compassionate. And there is no artificiality left anymore afterward in us. It just happens. Simple practice of meditation does it.